Waeco's 5500 air conditioning service unit is a highly innovative machine with fully automatic refrigerant recycling, oil and additive management, as well as automatic vacuum and leak checks. It's designed to service R134yf systems and offers close to 100% refrigerant recovery. Testing it out exclusively for GarageWire TV, Erin Phillips of Jackson Phillips Automotive Services in Bedfordshire said R1234yf is becoming increasingly important for independents that want to retain jobs for themselves.
If you want to keep your customers on site and do the jobs for your customers on site, I think it's a must. This new gas is in cars now. It's relevant, you know, with the seasons that we get, the weather changing. You're always going to get air conditioning inquiries, and obviously with vehicles with the newer gas in, then you know you're always going to need to service those vehicles. So, you know, from purely a service point of view and providing this customer with a service, then I think you've got to invest.
The production of new cars with R134a has been banned, and while these systems will remain on our roads for a number of years, it means the number of vehicles with R1234yf systems is on the rise. Supplied by Vivek, Erin told us that the Waeco 5500RPA service unit is a highly capable machine.
We like the way it works. It seems to operate in a way that sort of keeps things on track. So it makes you perform a refrigerant test. It also carries out negative and positive pressure tests on the system, which is great. And the fact that we can use a high percentage of the gas that we find in the systems already is excellent for us. The gas that can be recycled or reused from the systems when the vehicle comes in, it really helps with keeping the cost down for the customer, because we only have to charge for the gas that we use. But also, there's an environmental point of view there as well. If the gas is contained, it's better for the environment, it's better for all of us.
The service unit first recovers the existing refrigerant from the vehicle's aircon system. The vacuum pump then works with the compressor to recover the residual amount of refrigerant contained in the oil. It means refrigerant loss is minimal. The pump draws the refrigerant and collects it in the machine's internal container. Finally, the vehicle's aircon system is charged with the vehicle's specific amount of refrigerant from the service unit's tank.
It is easy to use, it's easy to connect, it's completely mobile. The fact that it's a sealed system with the way that the oil cans and the dye attached to the machine, that all works well, and it obviously aids with not getting cross-contamination, things like that. It does take a little bit longer on the first job, but we've gotten used to turning the machine on in the mornings, letting it go through its warm-up phase, and then the machine's ready to use all day.
Concluding his review, Erin has awarded the machine with a 4.5-star rating out of 5, adding that it's one he'd recommend to other garage owners.